Last night, my partner and I were walking home after spending the evening at the Scarborough RibFest in Thomson Park. We only live about a 15-minute walk away, so we decided to walk home, just like we've done many times before. We took the same street we've been using for over 5 years, a street that has always felt safe. But last night, everything changed. As we walked past a house, we noticed 3 teenage boys standing in their driveway. One of them called out to us, trying to start a conversation. We didn't respond. We just kept walking. At first, it didn't seem like a big deal, but then we heard footsteps behind us. We looked back and realized they were following us. We immediately started walking faster. They matched our pace, so we walked even faster. They did the same. At that point, my heart was racing. We had no idea what they wanted or what they were planning. In moments like that, your mind starts imagining every possible worst-case scenario. The street suddenly felt empty. Every second felt longer than the last. No matter how much we tried to create distance, they kept following us, for what felt like forever. The only reason we managed to get away was because we quickly turned into a different lane, disappeared from their sight, and they finally lost us. We made it home safely, but the fear stayed with us. I've walked these streets for years without ever feeling unsafe. Now, I don't know if I'll ever look at that walk the same way again. Scarborough used to feel like home. After last night, I'm not so sure anymore. If you ever feel like someone is following you, trust your instincts. Don't ignore that feeling. Your safety is always more important than being polite. Stay aware, stay safe.